Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Blue Willow on mobile. Let's begin. So here we are in our mobile phone, and as you can see I'm using an Android, but you don't have to worry if you're using an iOS, the process is the same. So the first thing we will do is go into our browser. So in the browser will do, if you're using Google Chrome, that's fine, but you have to go into your Google search and you want to type Blue Willow right here. And once you have done it, the first result is your choice right here. You want to go to the Blue Willow website by tapping or going here into the first search result right here as soon as you type Blue Willow on Google search. So let's go to their website. And from here, you want to tap on try now for free so that you would be able to join their Discord server because you would need a Discord to use Blue Willow. Now all we have to do is just wait for it so that we can get prompted on the Discord server. As you can see, it's loading. And accept invite right here, tap on accept invite. So here we are now on Blue Willow. So if it's your first time going here into this Discord server, there would be a pop-up asking you questions like what language you would like to use or so what, and you just need to answer this questions according to your preference. And after that, once you're done with that, then you can go tap here on the 3 horizontal bars on the top left for your screen, and you want to go here into the rookies section or channels. Right here, you want to go here, and it doesn't matter what rookie number that you would choose, it's the same. Then from here, you can instantly use the Blue Willow. So you want to type / and then imagine so that you can generate an image right here and space, and you want to tap this prompt right here. So you want to tap this, tap /imagine, and then you want to type your prompt now. So for example, LeBron James in a cat's body. We could also do that, cat's body, and just like that you have successfully used Blue Willow here on mobile. And as you can see, there are a lot of pop-ups right here that is used by many other users. So if you don't want to use Blue Willow right here, because as you can see, it's very confusing, a lot of people are using this channel right here. So what you can do is go back into the top left or the top. And as you can see right here is my prompt, and as you can see it keeps getting away because a lot of users are using Blue Willow. So for us to prevent this, you want to tap here on the 3 horizontal bars on the top left of your screen, and from here you want to create your own server by tapping here. So tap this and create my own, and for my friends, and you want to name your server whatever you'd like. In my case, I'll just go for shoot, just like that, and create the server. And once you have done that, then you just want to skip for this one, and now we're done. So we have successfully created our server. We're going to go back into Blue Willow, and we want to find the bot by tapping here on the so that we can see the members list. And here it is, the Blue Willow bot. We want to tap on the Blue Willow bot and tap on add to server, and we want to choose the server that we have just created right here and continue, authorize, just like that, and confirm. And there would be some verifications. It's very easy. You just have to answer it very quickly right there, and just like that. And then there it is. It's now succeeded. So let's go to our Discord server, and as you can see, we have now the Blue Willow bot right there. So now that we have the Blue Willow bot in our own server, we can focus on creating our own. So /imagine, let's say we add another prompt, just like cat in a fishbowl, just like that. But if you want to be more creative with your images, you can use more creative words, more specific words for you to create a more beautiful image right here on Blue Willow. And you would just wait for this to complete. And there it is right there. It has now been completed, as you can see, and this is our results, and that is how you use Blue Willow.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.